Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to make a simple on-off LED circuit. Let's look at the components that we'll need for this project. The base cardboard, some copper tape, a coin cell, and an LED of your choice. Spread the terminals of the LED. Make sure you identify the positive and negative terminal. Now place it on the cardboard and we're going to stick it with some copper tape. Stick the copper tape like this. Now the copper tape attached to this terminal is negative. So take the coin cell and stick the negative side of the coin cell on the copper tape. Now take another medium piece of copper tape and we're going to stick it to this terminal. Now take another small piece of copper tape and stick on this side to make a switch. To make it a switch, you have to roll this copper tape and stick it to itself. Exactly like this. Our on-off LED circuit is ready. Now let's check the output. Thanks for watching.